the office, please?
Sorry. Okay, so I wanted to go over what I am expecting. So you were supposed to finish the reading on renewable energy, and so that's pages, I'll hide this, pages 156 and 157. Not a whole lot to read today, but there are a few more foldables that you need to fill out. So in your foldables, we have renewable resources advantage and renewable resources disadvantage. Sorry, my document camera's gonna be lagged here. There's nothing you have to write behind these flaps. You're just writing two advantages and two disadvantages. And then over here, it says list two things you can do as a sixth grader to help manage renewable energy resources, and you're finding two. These show up on these pages in your textbook. So if I go back to the textbook, right here it says advantages and disadvantages. So this first paragraph talks about advantages. You need to find two of them. The second paragraph talks about disadvantages. You need to pick two of them and record in your foldable notebook. So two advantages, two disadvantages. I do not want you to do them for specific ones. I want you to find them in these paragraphs. So yes, there's a table down here separated into disadvantages and advantages, but these are specific to particular renewable energy instead of just in general. The last part of your foldable, that energy management, what could you do as a sixth grader? There's ideas in here. So, and if you find something different that you thought of, that's fine too. But like, here's that, what can you do? It will probably show up in there. I do have one extra thing I'm adding on than those three foldables. We forgot to do one of our foldables. So let's see if my camera will get caught up here. We have to go back to the fossil fuel pages, 146 and 147, and we forgot to do advantages and disadvantages for fossil fuels. One's filled in for you, but let's go back to that page and I'll try to point those out to you. So that foldable is towards the end of the ones we installed. It should be in your notebook. If we look here, we read through this one. Here is the paragraph about advantages. You need to pick 3 advantages from this paragraph to record on that worksheet. And then for disadvantages, disadvantages went all the way over to this side as well. So we had talked about this, the supply, what happens to habitats, and then there's different kinds of pollution, whether it's obtaining the fossil fuels or burning the fossil fuels. So filling in the notes as best you can, getting 3 advantages from this page and 3 disadvantages to add to the ones that are on there. So you have 3 foldables to fill out. You have this page to fill out. All right. Please email me with any questions if you're not understanding what I'm expecting.